guys. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Lijata, and if you are new to this channel, let me tell you, go and subscribe right now and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can be the first one to watch my new videos. In this video, I'll be showing you how to put this makeup. Not makeup, how to put this eyeliner, winged eyeliner. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to put this awesome winged eyeliner. Now let's get started. So all you need is a kajal and a mirror. Take your kajal and place your mirror right in front of your eyes. But I will have to show you, so I'm placing a bit downward. And then start it from outside. Start it from outside. Yeah, like this. And then move from this side. Okay, it's perfect. Now in this side. It's done, guys. So this is the final look. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, then we'll love it if you hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can be the first one to watch our videos. See you in my next video. Bye bye.